Today, we're diving into the world of laptop screen replacements with the HP 15.6-inch HD LCD Display Plus Touch Digitizer Assembly, model L63569-001. Specifically designed for HP laptops, this replacement screen is a perfect fit for models like the 15DY1020NR, 15DY1023DX, 15DY1074NR, and 15DY1085NR. First and foremost, the 15.6-inch screen size provides a spacious viewing experience, ideal for both work and entertainment. The HD resolution ensures clear visuals, making it a noteworthy upgrade from standard screens. What sets this display apart is its touchscreen capability, adding a layer of interactivity to your computing experience. Installation is relatively straightforward, and the build quality is commendable. The touch digitizer is responsive, offering a smooth and accurate touch experience. Whether you're navigating through documents, browsing the web, or enjoying multimedia content, the touchscreen functionality adds versatility to your laptop. For HP enthusiasts, the brand reliability is maintained with this replacement screen. It seamlessly integrates into the design of compatible HP 15DY series laptops, giving your device a fresh lease of life. The vibrant colors and decent brightness make for an enjoyable viewing experience, and the overall construction feels durable. In summary, if you're in need of a replacement screen for your HP laptop, the 15.6-inch HD LCD Display Plus Touch Digitizer Assembly with model number L63569-001 is a worthy consideration. It brings a touch of modernity with its touchscreen feature, enhances visual clarity with HD resolution, and ensures a hassle-free installation process. Upgrade your HP 15DY series laptop with this display, and enjoy a revitalized computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.